Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I cut Zach's hair. I've been cutting his hair for about 2 years. Um, if you cut hair at home, obviously it saves money. Personally, I didn't go to beauty school, but I've gotten a lot of bad haircuts from Great Clips where I had to pay money. So I figured I can give decent haircuts for free and I don't have to leave home, which is nice. And one thing my Uncle Lyle said was the difference between a good haircut and a bad haircut is 10 days. So, hope you enjoy.
What do you gotta lose?
Now, the thing I noticed the biggest difference when cutting hair is to have sharp scissors. We just got these scissors from the Army surplus store, and they work great. And pretty much what I do is I rake hair through my fingers like a comb. If you had a comb, you can also use this, but I don't think Zach has one. And usually I like to cut hair in the garage or somewhere outside so you don't have as much of a mess to pick up. So I feel like once you start cutting hair and you get more comfortable with it, the better it looks, because the more practice you get. If you could find friends to practice on, that's great, but I could never let any of my friends, or none of my friends will let me cut their hair, so for years I had to practice on myself, which I thought it looked fine. But pretty much what I'm doing, I'm still combing through with my fingers, and basically what I'm doing is thinning Zach's hair out, because his hair grows pretty thick. But I never want to get the comb, or get my finger comb straight across. I try to go up or down. I just find that it layers better. Another technique I like to show you guys is how to cut around ears. Usually it helps if the person holds their own ear. Do you hold your ear? And then you can see where the hairline should be.
Got him.
And I still comb up with my fingers and cut. And you never just want to cut really jagged or it's going to look bad. You just want to thin it out around the ears. But it helps to comb the hair back where it's supposed to lay so you can see how it's going to look. And I'm just going to get these little pieces right here and snip them so they're no longer touching Zach's ear and bothering him. And one thing I learned the hard way with sideburns, do not cut straight across because it won't line up with the beard. It looks really bad. So just keep on doing the finger raking technique I showed you guys. until the hair is as thin as you want it to be. And with these little parts right here, I do cut them off, but I cut down away from the ear. And I'll show you guys how to cut the back. Usually helps if whoever's hair cutting bends their head down, but one thing you don't want to do, like anything else, is cut too much hair all at once. So don't just cut a straight line. It's not going to be straight. Trust me. Tried it. It's kind of like when you're little and you cut your bangs. It's just not going to be good. The less hair you cut at a time, yeah, it may be more time consuming, but I think it looks better if you take your time. I'm just doing the same finger combing technique to thin the hair out. Every now and then smooth it out to see how it looks. And pretty much all I'm doing is following his natural hairline.